Pepper leaf curl is a very common problem of all kind of peppers, and in this video we will see what causes this condition and how we can solve this step by step. So keep watching and do subscribe to our channel. A common cause of pepper curling leaves is the change of season. When the season changes suddenly or the season becomes very harsh, pepper plants feels hard to grow and show this stress in the form of leaf curlings. It mostly happens to all the leaves. It seems like leaves curling inside and shrinking. The new growth happens very rarely in this extreme cold or hot environment. So if your plant is showing the curling of leaves due to the change of season, what you can do is just wait. If it's cold, you can move it indoors so the plant feels a little warm. And in hot season, move it to a cool shade. Overall, in both times, you have to wait for the season to become ideal. Just don't let the plant in an open area during this time, otherwise the leaves may fall off and the plant die. Another common cause of pepper curling leaves is the over moisture and compact soil media. If there is too much moisture in the soil, it can trigger the leaf curl. When the soil is too compact, it can also result into leaf curl problem. In this form of pepper leaf curl, the leaves curls and falls off frequently. You can check this by just feeling the soil surface. If it's hard or wet, this is the reason behind pepper leaf curl. So for fixing it, you need a good soil media that drains well and is loose. You can make it at home. A simple soil recipe is added in the description box video. You can follow that. Pepper plants are sensitive to soil mix. A good mixture can double your harvest of peppers, so it's an important thing. Focus on this and do subscribe to our channel. Another very common cause of pepper leaf curl is the shortage of nutrients. Means the plant is not getting enough nutrition to support its growth. If you are not fertilizing your plants, you should start immediately, but if you are, then maybe plant is not absorbing the nutrients well. This happens when the pH of the soil is not ideal. It should be 6 to 8. Above or below this would cause many problems. Leaf curl problem is just a start. If the pepper leaves have some kind of patches or spots, this indicates the nutrients problem. You can use this vegetable fertilizer made from organic kitchen-based ingredients. It works well for such plants. This fertilizer will also maintain the pH. For making it, you can follow the description box video and use it every 2 weeks on your pepper plants. Nutrition is very important for healthy and flourishing plants. One most common cause of peppers curling leaves is the pest infestation. Different pests and insects carry a virus of a pepper leaf curl inside of them, and once they attack on your pepper plants, the leaves starts curling up. They affect the new growth a lot. Plant will keeps on growing abnormal looking leaves. The new leaves are not opened properly. It's due to the pepper leaf curl virus and it's untreatable. You can just reduce the effect of pest and maybe your plant will fight off the virus on its own. But if the virus is all over the plant, the chance of revival is very less. To reduce the pest attack, you can use a Neem spray. It's linked in the description box video. Make it and apply it all over the plant. Another cause of pepper leaf curl is the shock. When your pepper plant is under some kind of shock, it starts curling its leaves. This shock could be due to transplant, change of place, or too much moisture in the environment and so on. The curling leaves are just the plant's way of saying something is wrong. You can cure this very easily. Just make that thing right and new growth will start appearing to be normal. After transplant, place it in shade for some time. In case of displacing the plant, just wait a little. For too much moisture, move the plant to an open and airy location and hopefully it will recover. It's all about pepper leaf curl disease. Follow this video to know how to cure tomato leaf curl disease and do subscribe to our channel.